go!
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to play with some toys and learn a little bit. So let's see what you think.
What do you think, bud? You like all your tractors? Look at all these tractors and trucks. So Jensen and I just sorted them by the type. So what do we have right here, bud? What are those?
Tractors.
Yeah, but what kind? Why don't you tell us a little bit about them? Okay. What do you think out of all these tractors, what one do we need more of? What do we need more of? What do you think?
I bet we need.
We've got lots of excavators. We've got lots of farm tractors. We've got plenty of garbage trucks. You've got a safari truck. What do you think we need? It's new toy day, so what new toy do we need?
The blue one.
Another blue one. You know what I feel like we have barely any of? Look at this. Look at this guy. What is that guy right there? It's a mixer? A cement mixer? What do you think? Do you think we need a bigger cement mixer? Because I mean that's the only one we have and it's super tiny. Should we get a bigger one?
Yeah.
Yeah? The hobby shop came to us today, okay? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now only adults use knives. So let me go cut the tape real quick. Oh, even the back is cool.
This is cool.
Whoa! Oh, isn't that awesome, dude?
Yeah.
It's your own big cement mixer.
Can you open it for me?
Sure.
Okay.
Pull it out. Beep, 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 Oop, beep, beep.
Oh no, you broke it.
I don't think I broke it. So what that is, dude, this is a water tank that you actually fill up with water. And let me pop it on here. Okay, check this out, dude. See this little hose right here? You can actually squirt water out of your hose. Just like a real cement mixer. What's this called right here? Do you know?
Because the doors.
Yep, that's where the cement pours. It's called the chute.
Because it's sweet.
Look at this. Look at it spins
Can
both
I
ways.
Can I have it?
Spin it. Show us how it works. Look what Daddy found. What is that in there? What is that? Yeah, it's a big engine. Okay, you ready for surprise number 2? More magic sand. Your favorite.
My baby.
Okay, this is gonna be so cool, dude. Okay, so first we gotta do this. Okay, can you turn it this way while I dump it in?
Yeah.
Okay, we're mixing up our cement. Okay, now you ready to see what's super cool? Check this out.
I put this out for you.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes, look. It's like a real cement mixer, dude.
Look, it's working, mixer.
You know what? I think Mommy can help us with this. I bet you she knows something that'll work really good. Maybe rice? Let's try some rice. Sand was awesome. So let's try, what do you want to do? Rice? Or do you want to do beans?
A bee.
Okay. Other way. Spin it the other way. Gotta get a full load. 9.5 yards. Whoa! There you go. Keep going. Yeah. That's awesome. Keep going. We're making a pool. How cool.
Now, this one's going bye-bye.
All right.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
No, you the explainer.
Okay. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unicorn.
Okay.
For me and Smickey. First I have to play.
Yep, spray. Okay. Get it all wet. That's a good idea.
backhoe.
Oh, backhoe. Backhoe. Backhoe's here. Put my outriggers down. Okay, I'm ready. What are we doing? Are we finishing Mom's pool?
No, we still have to go to a different job
Oh
site.
man, we're busy. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Are you all done?
Yep. Can you pour?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. There it's coming. You want me to help?
No, I don't want your help.
You want to try some rice?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get all the beans out and then we'll do some rice.
No, I don't need some help.
I know. I'm just helping it stay in, bud. That's why I'm stirring it. There you go. Good job. Now we figured it out. That's the way we do it. Hey, why don't you teach us the colors on this truck? What
White, blue, yellow,
What else do you see?
blue, black.
What about this right here? What's your
That's the suit.
Yeah, but what color?
Gray.
Yeah. Good job. I think those are all the colors. Oh, I see one more color on this side.
Yellow,
No, look back here. What color is that?
red.
Yeah. Yeah, why don't you teach us parts that you know?
This is yellow also.
It is.
Yellow headlights, yellow bucket with headlights. The back wheels, the back headlights.
What parts do you see on here that you know? You know what these are? Those?
Those are mirrors.
Yeah. And what's this thing? Good job. And then do you know what this is called right here?
A jump.
Yeah, you are super smart. All right, a really fun activity to do with this toy. You need a hot glue gun and 4 popsicle sticks. All right, buddy, so we made a form and it's a square pool for Mommy. So I'll help guide the chute, you dump the cement. Okay? Keep going. Nice. Okay, I think we're full. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, I think we're good. All right, nice work. Okay, now look what we got here. Look at this thing. Look at that thing. Watch, let me show you how it works. We're gonna use it to flatten out our concrete. So it's a nice little flat pool for Mommy. There you go. Nice.
I think we need some more.
Okay.
I think that's good.
Okay. I think Mommy's gonna love it.
There you go.
What shape is this?
A T-Betty. A T-Betty.
Okay. I'll wait till you're done.
And then,
Now what shape is this? What shape is our pool? A what?
where?
Good job. It is a square because it has 4 sides that are the same length. What color is your concrete?
White, blue,
Yes.
and that's it.
Yep. Nice. All right, buddy. Let's learn about some shapes here. So right here, we have a thing called a rhombus. Okay. Circle. We have a triangle, a pentagon, and a trapezoid. Okay, now we're filling the trapezoid. Good. Now let's fill the pentagon.
Let's do the trend. Let's do the...
Nice. Guy's gonna be this guy, the finisher guy. Okay, so we got the circle, we got the triangle. Good job.
Now let's do this one.
The rhombus.
Oh, we can still do this one.
Okay. Let's do the pentagon. So this is actually, it could be a parallelogram or a rhombus. Can you say parallelogram? That was actually pretty impressive. Okay, so the rhombus or the parallelogram. We got that one. Now all we got to do is these over here. The trapezoid and the pentagon. Keep going, it's almost out. Yeah. Trapezoid. And pentagon. Okay. Good job, we did our job. Daddy's just gonna clean up, make it look really pretty, and then our job is done. Good job.
Now let's go bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Let's go bye-bye.
All right, buddy, so we got to do all this cool stuff with your cement mixer. We're gonna do one more awesome thing, okay? So, we're gonna fill our tank up with water up here. I can figure out how to open it. Okay. Now, we have a little bit of cement left in our drum. Can you help me get it out, or can I do it?
You do.
You don't, oh, sweet, Daddy gets to do it. Okay, getting our last bit of cement out. Wow, there's actually a lot more in there than we thought, huh? So every responsible cement mixer guy, when they're done with their work, they have to clean up their chute and their job site with their sprayer.
Can
You want to
feel
try to
it?
spray it?
Can
Yeah.
you feel it?
Wash out your chute. See, there you go. Now wash out your chute. Good job, dude. Nice. And then when you're done, look at, all you gotta do is lift it up, put it back up here. Boom.
Now I want to do it.